HP Victus gaming laptop. This laptop comes with Windows 11 Home with pre-installed Microsoft Home and Student. It is equipped with 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13420H processor, 8-core, 12 threads and 12 MB L3 cache. It has 16 GB DDR4 RAM. This laptop has 512 GB PCIe Gen 4, NVMe TLC, M.2 SSD storage. It is equipped with 6 GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU. This laptop has a 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS display with 144 refresh rate, 9 milliseconds response time, and 250 nits brightness. It is powered by a 4-cell 70 Wh lithium-ion battery. This laptop features temporal noise reduction, coupled with audio by B&O for an immersive gaming experience. This laptop comes with HP Wide Vision 720p HD camera. This laptop comes with one USB Type-C, two USB Type-A, one HDMI 2.1, and one RJ45. The box includes a laptop, charger and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty.